Welcome to your step-by-step guide for scrapping a PlayStation 3 for profit. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of safely disassembling, cleaning, and preparing PS3 circuit boards using simple tools and techniques. On-screen labels will guide you through each stage, while AI voiceover explains the key points. Begin by gathering basic tools, a Phillips screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, and containers for screws and small components. First, remove the PS3's outer shell by unscrewing visible fasteners and carefully prying open the casing. Use close-up stock footage of hands working with screwdrivers to illustrate this step. As you detach each section, label and set aside components like the hard drive, optical drive, and fan. Remember to discharge any static electricity before touching internal parts to protect sensitive electronics. Next, focus on extracting the main circuit board and attached metals. Use educational overlays to highlight valuable materials such as copper coils, aluminum heatsinks, and gold-plated connectors. Gently clean dust and residue from these parts with compressed air and a soft brush, as shown in stock footage of electronics repairs. Proper cleaning improves resale value and buyer appeal. Finally, sort and organize all salvaged materials. Show labeled stock images of circuit boards, copper wiring, and aluminum pieces ready for e-waste yards or online resale. Emphasize safe disposal of non-valuable plastics and hazardous waste. By following these steps, you can maximize your profit while responsibly recycling PS3 electronics.